Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Samanit and this is my channel Makeup and Beauty. So in today's video I am going to show my plum haul that I have just done recently. So without further ado, let me show all the products at first. So the first product is Illuminance, which is a simply supple cleansing balm. So this is actually a new launch all from Plum Goodness and I was so curious to try out this product. This is actually first cleansing balm from Plum and this is also for the first time that I'm going to try out this cleansing balm because I have never tried out any cleansing balm till now to remove my makeup. So this is going to be my first experience of using cleansing balm. So let me first show you the product. So can you see the tub is so huge. The price of this cleansing balm is rupees 545 and this is how the tub look like. I have already tried out this cleansing balm to test, so that's why the upper aluminum foil lid is open. So this is how the balm look like and this is actually a 90 gram of product. This cleansing balm is so good, it's just that a less goes a long way. So this is the first product that I picked from Plum Goodness during Nykaa sale. So now it's time for the demo video where I'm going to use this cleansing balm to remove all of my makeup and just to show you how good it is. So let's move on to the demo video. Move on to the next product, let me tell you Plum is having flat 20% discount on all products on Nykaa. Along with that, you are going to get this free vegan kajal when you shop or your order amount is above $9.99 from Plum Goodness from Nykaa. Can you just imagine? It is just a perfect timing for you all to stock up all your favorite products like I did during this sale. So yes, now let's move on to the another product. The next product that I really like and I definitely love to recommend you all, and that is this Plum Chamomile and White Tea Glow Getter Mask. This is a face mask and I really like how instantly it just brighten up my face. If you feel dull skin, then just wash your face, apply this mask on your face, leave it for 10 to 15 minutes so that it dries up on your face and then just cleanse it off and you can instantly feel how glowy your skin turn out after using this face mask. So definitely this is my second recommendation. The price of this face mask is rupees 490 and you are going to get 60 gram of product. So this is the face mask and this is how it look. Can you just see, I have already used this mask a lot and that's why you can see the usage of this mask. I really like this mask because it just instantly brighten up my dull skin, and so definitely I'm going to recommend you all to try out this face mask. So now it's time for the demo video where I'm going to apply this face mask on my face and you can see the before and after effect of this face mask. So let's see the demo video. Moving on to the next product which I really like because I have oily skin during summer and right now I am having few breakouts. Like if you can see, I have one acne here and also hair. So I always look out for moisturizer which are good for oily skin tone, and that's why I feel like Plum Green Tea Night Gel is just perfect for me or for any oily skin that breakouts during summer. So this is my next recommendation from Plum Goodness, because I really like this night gel. So the price of this night gel is rupees 575, and you are going to get 50 ml of product. Let me show you the tub. So this is how the night gel look like, and it has a beautiful green tea fragrance which I really like. This one is actually a perfect moisturizer for oily skin people. If you have dry skin, then you might feel that these are not enough to moisturize your skin, because these are actually made for oily skin or combination skin people. So dry skin people should avoid this night gel, but definitely oily skin people should try out this night gel, because this is something that absorbs instantly on your skin, giving your skin that enough moisturizer so that it doesn't break out, or it just maintain the oil balance in your skin so that you don't break out further. So this is how the night gel look like. I really like this night gel. This is actually one product that I always reach out every time whenever I started having problem on my skin, like if I break out or if I started having acne, then I stop all other product and I just reach out to this night gel. It is just because that my work is something where I need to try out different kind of skincare brand and hair care brand for review purpose for you all, and that's why sometimes my skin doesn't behave well as I came in contact with so many skincare products. So this is actually a one product which is savior for me, you can say, because every time I started having problematic skin, I just reach out this night gel. At night I just wash my face, apply a toner, and then this night gel, and I am done. So recently, due to this breakout, I have already started using this night gel, and definitely I would love to recommend this night gel to everyone who have oily skin or combination skin or who breakouts like me. Now it's time for a demo video where I'm going to apply this night gel on my face. At last but not the least, my fourth recommendation from Plum Goodness is this kajal. But don't worry, you don't need to buy this kajal if you buy now from Nykaa, because if your order is above rupees 999, then you are going to get this vegan kajal free, and this is one of my favorite kajal. I really like this kajal because it is jet black and smudge proof. It just dries out instantly, so if you are planning to smudge this kajal, then you need to do it fast, because one swipe and it just dries out within few seconds. It is one of my favorite kajal. This kajal stays pretty 4 to 5 hours on my waterline intact, whereas other kajal from other brands stays hardly 3 to 4 hours on my waterline, and after that they started to wear off as I really have watery eyes. So till now I feel like only this kajal survived my waterline, and that's why definitely I would love to recommend you all to try out this kajal. I don't remember how many Plum Goodness kajal I have used till now, because this is one kajal that I keep on buying again and again. I think this is actually my 8th one, I would say. So definitely I would recommend this kajal, but yes, as I told you earlier, if you shop more than rupees 999 from Nykaa, from Plum Goodness, then definitely you are going to get this kajal as free. So now it's time for the demo video where I'm going to apply this kajal on my eyes so that you can see how jet black and how good it is. Definitely I'm going to swatch it on my hand, and also I'm going to do a smudge proof test of this kajal. So without further ado, let's just see the demo video. yeah, these are all the products that I picked up during sale, and I just thought to do this video so that you can check out also this product from Plum Goodness from Nykaa. So let me know in the comment section below that which product from Plum Goodness you are going to pick during this sale. So yeah, that's complete my today's video. I am signing off with a promise to be back in another video pretty soon. Until then, stay beautiful, stay healthy. Now it's time to go to Nykaa website to check what are the products you want to grab from Plum Goodness, as the sale is not going to last too long. So yeah, enjoy your shopping and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.